The Lost Child by the writer Mulk Raj Anand. We had already gone through the explanatory part of The Lost Child, and today, in this part 2 video of The Lost Child, let me brief you up and acquaint you with the word meanings of some of the difficult words that we happen to confront in the chapter, in the lesson. So, starting with from the beginning, first paragraph, Alice. Alice. Lanes and alleys emerged a gaily clad humanity. So here this alleys means the pathway. Then comes emerged. Emerged means suddenly to come into view, to appear, to be seen. That is emerged. Then comes brimming. Brimming over with life and laughter. Let us see the usage. One little boy ran between his father's legs, brimming over with life and laughter. So, here, what is the meaning of brimming? Full of or overflowing with. So, brimming generally means something that is overflowing. So, the little boy also was full of life and laughter when he was in with the company of his parents. Coming to the next page, here we find as we go across the passage, fascinated. Fascinated means enchanted or feeling greatly attracted. That's the meaning of fascinated. So let's see the usage. As he lagged behind, fascinated by the toys in the shops. So the boy was fascinated by the toys, means he was very highly enchanted and attracted towards all the toys. Next comes lingering. His eyes still lingering on the receding toys. Lingering means still lasting for a long time. His eyes can still see those images, means he was so much attracted towards those toys that he could not forget the images of those toys, and it kept on resounding in his brain, appearing, it kept on reappearing before his eyes. That means lingering, lasting on and on. Receding toys. Receding toys means the toys, as he happened to move ahead, the toy shops were left behind. So, receding, that means retreat, leaving behind. Then comes this tyrant's way. Let us read the sentence. His father looked at him red eyed in his familiar tyrant's way. So, tyrant means a cruel and oppressive person. So, with a cruel look in his eyes, with a look of anger in his eyes, his father looked at him, and that is the meaning tyrant's way. Let us come to the next one, intercepting. Intercepting the flight of a lone black bee or butterfly. Intercepting, that means obstructing. So, obstructing the flight. Next, as we go, we can find here one more word is there, teeming. Teeming here means filled with, teeming. Teeming out from their hiding places to enjoy the sunshine. So here teeming means filled with. Okay. Next, we also find next word as we happen to move, that is capers. The meaning of capers, playful skipping movement, gone running in wild capers around the banyan tree. So, capers means playful skipping movement that is usually done by little children around any tree and around any big tree. Then, in the next page, footpaths full of throngs. Throngs means a densely packed crowd, that is, throngs. Then comes irresistibly. Irresistibly means that which cannot be resisted at any cost. It's difficult to resist because it is so tempting. The child seemed irresistibly drawn. It was difficult for the child to control himself, to resist it. Next comes overwhelming. Overwhelming means to be overcome by strong emotions. So it was an overwhelming desire to possess them all. So it was an uncontrollable desire very keen desire to possess something. Next comes coarse. The meaning of coarse, very rough, and or it can be said unrefined. To hear such coarse music. So the music was not at all pleasant to the ears. It was rough, it was coarse. Next comes roundabout. It's a roundabout means a merry-go-round that we usually find in fairs.